Here's a bird's eye what I'm doing right now. I'm about to go ahead on and disconnect this positive cable and redo it. That's all. So let's get that going, y'all. I think it's a 10 mil. Should go right on top. It is. Gotta be very careful with it. Let's go ahead on and put this drill in reverse and see if we can get this free. Not the right bit for it, but it'll work. So let's just point. Nothing. And what I'm doing to cut this is slowly going into my cutters. Believe it or not, those things are still razor sharp. My neighbors think I'm retarded. Anybody else that make videos for YouTube, any of your neighbors ever catch y'all talking to the audience? I ain't talking to myself. I'm talking to y'all. They over there thinking, hey, Bill talks to himself. Not the case here, guys. Not the case. This is a live line, so I got to be real careful. Even though I don't have anything exposed back here, but just I can touch the amplifiers by mistake. I think that chassis is grounded, if I'm not mistaken. So either way it goes, I still got to be careful. And I don't think that crimp did it. Let's tighten this back up. Get some crimp boss action going here. Before I take it all the way home, make sure my wires in there really good. And it is. So now it's time to take this thing home. Alright. It seemed like I actually could have went with a smaller die. As a matter of fact, go on and take it down. I probably did crimp the crap out of this. Probably just, being a little extra here, but let's find out. I want that crimp, I want to be safe with it. Plus I'm just playing, y'all. I'm just playing around here. I think I over crimped. Yeah, and I did. Got my first over crimp on video. See what type of crimp we got. Wow. That is solid. Oh my God, y'all. Take a look at that. Y'all see that? And of course, the whole design, the whole concept of this right here is basically when you crimp it that hard, you perform what's called a cold weld. Basically, that cold weld is basically how can I say this? I'm trying to break it down. No oxygen within the actual terminal. It's compressed all of the pieces together as one. Take your beams down. Go to those screens. 22 hertz. Over there, you know, we got 4 cats in the Grand Prix. You know, they might be shopping. I ain't with that shit. And out of all the space, out of this whole entire place, they park next to me.